Today on Tucker Time, Dandelion Science. All you need is
dandelions
and
a jar with water. All you're gonna do is take your dandelion and put it in your water.
Hold up. This may seem like a simple task, but it wasn't. We attempted this numerous times. But there's science behind the failures, and it turned out to be a good learning experience. So first, let's look at why it failed. You see how every time the dandelion won't go under the water? It's because we were using older dandelions. They had already lost most of their seeds. Fewer seeds means it's too light to break the surface tension. The fluffy part of a dandelion is made up of tiny, superfine hair-like structures called the pappus. They spread out like a parachute to help each seed travel in the wind. But here's the cool part. Because of the densely packed hairs, they're actually hydrophobic, which means they repel water. Instead, they trap tiny pockets of air in between the hairs, kind of like a cushion. When submerged, it carries a little bubble of air around itself. That air creates a barrier, keeping it from getting wet. Nature's waterproofing. Remember that we were using older dandelions? Because it had fewer seeds, it could not create an air bubble. It just let the water in. This was so frustrating. So the hunt was on for the heaviest, fluffiest dandelions we could find. With a little patience, we succeeded. Just look at that fluffiness. When the dandelion goes underwater, it shouldn't get wet. With the fluffy dandelions, the results were completely different. It was exactly how it should be. We got that air bubble and it kept the water out, all thanks to the hydrophobic hairs. When it came out, it was just as dry. Such a cool experiment. I hope you liked my video on Dandelion Science.
And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!
Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Make new discoveries and learn every day.